How to make money online. Earn cash by listening to music at $2 per song. Today I'm going to teach you how to earn money just by listening to music. Every day I do this, and just today I already made around $72 just by chilling here in the comfort of my own bedroom. Watch this entire video and you'll learn how to earn $2.50 for each song you listen to. Let's begin. The website is called MusicBox, where you can earn money by listening to music. 3 months ago, I was introduced to this platform by a friend, and now that I've learned the ins and outs of this application, I'm going to share with you all the step-by-step guide to this strategy. After watching this video, you can start doing this and potentially earn a passive income of $60 per day while your phone is playing music. Now I'll guide you through the exact process. To begin, go to the website music-box.pro and then select your preferred language. This website is available in various languages, making it convenient for everyone to use. So wherever you are in this world, you can access this website and earn money. Next, you'll need to sign up by providing your name, surname, login, email address, and password twice. Finally, you'll need to complete a CAPTCHA. Next, navigate to the My Studio section and you'll see 25 tracks available for you to listen to and earn money from every day. Simply play the song and listen to it. You can listen to these songs from anywhere, such as in bed, while working, or even while exercising. If you don't want to listen, you can simply turn the volume down and it won't be a bother to you. However, you cannot turn down the volume if you're on the website. No matter how hard you click, it doesn't work. So what I usually do is just turn off the sound on my phone and still receive payment without listening to the song. I just do this when I'm doing important stuff, like in a meeting. I want to maximize my time so that even if I'm busy, I'm still earning money. Just a quick note, you'll receive payment for the song once you've listened to it in full. After listening to it, you'll give your feedback on whether you like the song or not. Once I do this, my balance will increase by 2.86 bits. In this platform, bits serve as currency, with 1 bit being worth 0.014 cents. When I multiplied 2.86 bits by 0.014 cents, I received 4 cents as payment for listening to the song. It may not be a lot of money, but it's still pretty cool to think about it. If I were listening to just 100 songs, I'd already be making $4. The best thing is that I don't have to do anything other than enjoy the music and get paid for it. I think this is something many people have dreamed about. However, there's more to it than just that. Actually, it's possible to earn $2.10 for every song you listen to here. I'll show you in a while how to achieve this. You can also earn up to $60 per day without actively listening to music. After you register on MusicBox, you'll start as a newbie, which means you'll receive 0 bits per track. However, as you progress to higher categories, you'll earn more for each song you listen to. Currently, I belong to category E, and I earn nearly 3 bits or 4 cents for each track I listen to. However, you have the option to upgrade to category J and receive 154 bits per track. That's equivalent to $2.10 for every song you listen to. If you listen to 25 tracks per day and earn $2.10 for each track, you'll make $52 daily with this category. It sounds incredible. You can activate the higher categories using bits that you've earned on this platform, or you can deposit your money, but I advise you not to do that. My recommendation is to use your bits to activate different categories for the first time. Once you've achieved a good income that satisfies you, you can withdraw some money and save it for activating even more profitable categories in the future. You may have noticed that in order to listen to the next track, you must first evaluate the one you've just heard. This can be quite inconvenient since you have to switch tracks manually all the time. However, there's an interesting feature available here that can make things easier. You can activate the autoplayer, which allows your phone to evaluate and switch tracks automatically. Let me tell you more about this feature. To activate the autoplayer, you can use the bits you've earned on this platform just like any other category. Once activated, you simply need to click once on your phone to start the first song and then do nothing else but watch the money come in. It's that easy. Now let's imagine you have the maximum category and the autoplay feature activated. You can click once and the phone will play 25 tracks, earning you $52 in just 20 or 30 minutes. It sounds amazing. In case you don't like the fact that there are only 25 tracks available per day, you can change that here as well. You can upgrade to a VIP beginner status, which allows you to listen to 1,000 tracks per day. Furthermore, activating this status in combination with the beginner category means that the payment for each track will be tripled with 0.03 beats per track. By activating the beginner status and autoplayer, your phone can listen to the tracks all day and you don't have to do anything. Now I want to share with you how much I've earned from this website, and then we can proceed to withdraw the money. I've been using this website for a while now, and I follow a very straightforward strategy. I use my money to upgrade to the second category, and then reinvest everything I earn into activating the next category, and so on. I've already withdrawn 14, 2003, 2800 and 4800 bits. In total, I've withdrawn 9100 bits, which is equivalent to $130 earned just by listening to music. And now, I'm going to withdraw another 5309 bits. You can withdraw money from your Payer wallet for as little as 1 bit or from your Visa or MasterCard for as much as 1500 bits. It works like a PayPal wallet, but you can also store cryptocurrency there. I'll show you how to withdraw money from a Payer wallet to a bank card or a PayPal account. First, we need to copy the Payer wallet number by clicking on the copy button. Then we go to the MusicBox website, select the Payer wallet option, and paste the copied number. After that, we enter the withdrawal amount, in this case 5300 bits, and click on Order Withdrawal. We need to wait a bit for the withdrawal request to process, and once it's successful, the money will be transferred. Normally, the money arrives in the Payer wallet in just a matter of minutes, sometimes even faster. Once the withdrawal process is complete, let's go back to the Payer wallet. However, be careful as the money you receive is in rubies, so you'll need to convert it to dollars. To do this, click on the currency exchange option and select rubies, followed by dollars. Next, enter the amount of 5300 bits, and the exchange rate will show you that you'll receive $69. Once you click exchange, the process will be successfully completed. Now you can transfer money from Payeer to PayPal or any other bank card. To transfer money from Payeer USD to PayPal USD, you can use a website called bestchange.com. First, select Payeer USD, and then choose the wallet you want to transfer to, such as PayPal USD. Look for an exchanger with a low minimum amount for withdrawal, like one with a minimum amount of $30. Click on the exchanger and enter your details. Then transfer the required amount from your Payeer wallet to your PayPal or bank account. After waiting for 2 hours, I received $67 in my PayPal account from the selected exchanger. Please note that the exchanger charges a small commission fee. That's about it. It's pretty easy and simple, so it's not impossible that you'll be earning some extra cash right away. Yes, I know that what you'll be earning here is not that big of an amount, but you have not shed a single sweat for it. You're basically doing nothing and making money. This may not make you a millionaire, but at least you're earning some cash while doing something else or while asleep. If you constantly do this for at least 3 months, you'll be getting at least $100 per month. Just follow the steps I gave you. Thanks for watching, and I hope it was helpful. If it was, let me know in the comments. Stay tuned for the next video and have a great day. See you soon.